Given point A equal to minus 4 comma 0, B equal to 0 comma 6. Here minus 4 comma 0, this point 0 comma 6, and Q is the midpoint of AB. Q is the midpoint of AB. A and B. The midpoint is P. So P midpoint is Q. Q. AB midpoint is the Q. Midpoint is the Q. So midpoint formula into x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. సో Q of x, y ఈక్వల్ టు మనం Qను ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తున్నాం. Q వాల్యూని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తున్నాం. Q of x, y ఈక్వల్ టు x1 minus 4 plus x2 0, y1 0 plus y2 6 by 2 by 2 minus 4 by 2. 0 plus 6 is the 6 by 2 minus 2 comma 3. The Q value is 3. ఇప్పుడు P is the midpoint of AQ. P is the midpoint of, ఇక్కడ చూడు, this is A and this is Q. Midpoint is Q. A Qలో P is the midpoint. P is the midpoint కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఏమింటే A ఈక్వల్ టు minus 4 comma 0. Q ఏంటి minus 2 comma 3. minus 2 comma 3. So x1 minus 4 plus x2 minus 2 by 2. y1 0, y3 y value 3 by 2. 4 plus into minus is the minus 6 by 2. 3 by 2. 3 get minus 3 comma 3 by 2. Now R is the midpoint of QB. R is the midpoint of the QB. Here is the R value. Q value ఏంటి minus 2 comma 3. P value ఎంత 0 comma 6. That is the midpoint. x1 plus x2 is by 2. y1 3 plus y2 by 2. minus 2 by 2 comma 9 by 2. So minus 1 comma 9 by 2.